Alibaba is the world's largest e-commerce company. Alibaba latest gadgets are in demand for everyone. That is, either a brick-and-mortar or online e-commerce store. It is the best option. So guys, in today's video, we will be showing you some of the latest gadgets on Alibaba. All the links to the products are in the description. Without further ado, let's begin. QAWACHH 2-in-1 Car Air Purifier with Dual USB Car Charger. QAWACHH brand 2-in-1 Car Air Purifier and Dual USB Charger Metallic Silver. Car air filter is one of the necessary and crucial car accessories that help us create a clean and pollutant-free environment inside car. It not only creates a clean and breathable environment, but also helps us feel refreshed and revitalized. This air purifier car is a must-have car accessory. Car air purifier removes smoke, dust, and kills harmful viruses and bacteria. Vufine VUF110 Wearable Display. Unlike standard goggle setups, Vufine lets you maintain situational awareness and direct line of sight while flying. Vufine stands out as a simple, safety-conscious monocular FPV system. Whether for an action camera or professional rig, Vufine Plus is perfect for monitoring live camera footage. For gimbal operators, it's great for maintaining situational awareness on location. Vufine's sleek, pocketable size is ideal for use at work or on the go, making it easy to watch your favorite videos or catch up on work more privately. Vufine Plus utilizes an LCOS panel, which provides a bright, crisp virtual display that appears as a 4-inch display approximately 12 inches from your eye. Vufine Plus offers 3 different display modes to allow users to optimize the display no matter what device they are connecting. These modes can be cycled through by clicking the power button. Vufine Plus attaches to glasses via magnetic docking station to allow you to position it above, below, or directly in your line of sight. Vikeri A1 Trail Camera. Resolution delivers stunning vibrant images and clear audible video even during the dark night. With a built-in 2.4-inch LCD color screen, it moves you closer to watch wildlife. Use high-grade IP66 material, extremely durable from sealed to probe lens. Protects your trail camera, ensures that can prevent rainproof, drip-proof, and dust-proof, and also ensures it can work in tough environments like tropical rainforest or desert. The trigger distance is up to 25 meters, 80 feet, day, /20 meters, 65 feet, night. Once movements are detected, the lightning-fast trigger speed of less than 0.2 seconds with 1 to 3 shots choice guarantees fast and accurate capture of each detected motion, with each detected motion exposed to the field of this game trail camera hunting before shooting. Trail game camera is equipped with a 120 degrees detecting range, which allows you to get an excellent broader view. 48-piece no-glow infrared LEDs, which makes it a stealthy unit that does not intrude into the natural habitat. iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. PT3 built-in infrared temperature sensor reads body temperature within 1.18 inches of the center of the forehead without physical contact. An ultra-sensitive infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points per second, while distance and environmental sensors combine to account for other variables, ensuring maximum accuracy every time temperature is taken. The intuitive single-button control design thermometer reads the temperature in just 1 second from a clear, bright, extra-large LED screen, even in total darkness. The quiet vibration alert ensures there is no buzzing noise and no disturbance. iHealth PT3 is designed for all ages, ranging from babies and toddlers to the elderly. An ideal choice for hospitals, hotels, school settings, and public establishments. Aduro AquaSound WSP20 Shower Speaker. Sing along with your favorite tunes while in the shower or on the go with the AquaSound Shower Speaker waterproof wireless speaker. Choose from several different colors and patterns. Waterproof, Bluetooth capable, and includes a suction cup for easy attachment. Compatible with any Bluetooth-enabled mobile phone, tablet, MP3 player, etc. Skip songs and /back/pause/play right from the water-resistant speakers. Answer calls right on it and hold conversations through the built-in microphone. Features a suction cup for easy attachment to walls or any flat surface. Great for showers, baths, swimming pools, boats, marine. IPX4 certified. GIVERARE Cleaning Gel. Cleaning gel is made from 2022 upgraded ingredient guar gum. Water and glycerin are balanced well to keep best elasticity and stickiness. 100% natural and biodegradable, as well as odorless and eco-friendly. It smells like a light lemon fragrance, totally unirritating, and non-sticky to skin while super sticky to dust. Unlike other car cleaning tools, this dust cleaner is soft and flexible, can be changed to any shape needed, and clean dirt easily from vents and little crevices in your car, but never scratch the surface. It has one-way isolation system, could keep the dust inside once it is captured. Firstly, make sure your hands are dry and clean. Take a small piece of gel and knead a few times before use. Then press the cleaning gel on/into a dust surface slowly, such as the car's air vents. Finally, pull it out slightly and the dust will be carried away. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808. Autel MK808 capitalizes on ease of use, speed, and functionality. The scan tool is made in a tablet-like design and runs on Android with a quad-core processor and a 7-inch LCD touchscreen. Operating it is a breeze, especially if you have the slightest experience with smartphones and tablets. Also, multitasking in one touch is allowed, so when you fix a particular part, you can monitor the effect it has on other parts at the same time. The data can be interpreted for technicians all over the globe without encountering any sort of language barrier. ZipSnip Cordless Electric Scissors. Using scissors to cut through tough stuff like plastic packaging is no fun, especially when you suffer from hands that fatigue quickly. Not only was the ZipSnip cutting tool designed to do all the jobs that scissors can't, but it also makes everyday cutting jobs that much easier. Its self-sharpening blades slice right through cardboard, so it's an excellent tool for taking out the recyclables. It even glides through rubber and leather, so it's an indispensable implement for crafting and/or DIY projects. It's precise, much more so than scissors, and has a lot more power behind it than a utility knife. It's perfect for opening heavy bags like pet food, seed, or fertilizers without spilling because you don't need a lot of motion to use it, like with knives and scissors. It has a soft grip, so it's comfortable to use, and the compact design only weighs 1 pound. The lockout switch prevents accidental starts. ThermoPro TP03. ThermoPro TP03 is an effective solution to achieve the most accurate temperature in a matter of seconds. The digital kitchen thermometer with a simplistic yet practical design that at a push of the button, the foldable probe will pop open for quick and easy temperature reading. And when you're done taking the temperature measurement, you can fold the probe back to ensure the probe is kept safe and clean. Don't sweat powering the food thermometer off, as it's designed to conserve battery power after 10 minutes of no use. The meat thermometer with a backlit LCD display, reading temperatures in your preferred unit of measurement between Celsius or Fahrenheit is a breeze. Stop overcooking or undercooking your meat and perfect meat temperatures like a professional, ensuring the perfect temperature every time you're grilling or cooking. FLYFE Grip Strengthener Hand Grip. Grip trainer equipped with latest counting function, which works lifetime without battery, will record your exercise number every time, help you know the training progress better. The grip strengthener, made of the latest upgraded material, has a longer handle than others, which is more convenient for you to hold. In addition, the handle material is strong and durable, which perfectly avoids the problem of the handle breaking during exercise. Grips are super portable and allow you to work out anywhere. Home, car, office, and more. This lets you work out more, building muscle faster than ever. Deluxe forearm grip resistance trainers can save you hundreds on gym memberships and workout equipment.